Updating your email address on DAZN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Enter your current email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email address option. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email address or account information. Click on this option to proceed with updating your email. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new email address in a designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it's entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on DAZN will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DAZN customer support for assistance.